Today I'm going to show you how to add photos to your collages. I'm using CS6, but this will also work with all versions of CS and Creative Cloud. I'm using a Mac, so the way that I open my file will be a little bit different than the way that you'll open yours on a PC. However, once you have the template in Photoshop, this process is the same. So the first thing you want to do is open your file. I'm going to go down here and find my file. It's Square Collage 2 is what I'm working with today. And when you open that, there will be two different files. This one is your preview file. It will either be a JPEG or a PNG, and that's just there to show you what the template will look like. You can't actually customize that one. The PSD is the one that we're going to customize. It's the one that has all of the layers that we can add photos to. So on a Mac, I'm going to double click on that to open. Okay, and then I'm going to place my right image first. So I'm going to click on the right box here in my layers panel. Your layers panel may be somewhere else in your Photoshop depending on how you have it set up. If you don't see your layers panel, you can go up to Window and go down to Layers and click on that so that this check mark shows up. If the check mark is already there, then your layers panel is already open somewhere, so you won't need to click on that. Okay, so I'm going to click on the right layer here, and I'm going to go up to File and down to Place, and then you need to find on your computer where you have your file saved. So I'm going to click on this one and click Place, and that will open it up. And I'm going to move it over, and I'm going to make it a little bit bigger. So I'm going to click my Shift button and drag this corner, and then you can either hit Enter or click on this check mark up here. Okay, now I need to clip it into my template. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to right click on this layer here, the layer of your photo, and go down to Create Clipping Mask, and that will put it in the right side of your template. Now let's do the same thing with our left. I'll go up to File, Place, find your photo, hit Place, and then you can move it over into your template and hit Enter or click on this check mark, and then go over here, right click, Create Clipping Mask, and that's how you put it in your template. Now you can also change this border color in the middle here by double clicking on this white box that says double click to change border color. And if you want to make it black, if you have a black blog or you like a black border, or if you want to make it blue, you can change the color in here to be whatever you want. If you want it more of a tan color to match the photos, that's fine. I'm going to keep mine white. I'm going to go ahead and click OK. And that is how you add photos to your collages.